Use a crowbar tool to pry open and remove the rain sensor cover. Put the big housing of the rain sensor forward. Pull out the rain sensor power cord. Connect it to our adapter socket. Connect our wires to the vehicle rain sensors. Remove the protective film from the lens of the dashcam. Connect the power cord of the dashcam. Align the 3 orange clips of the dashcam with the slots of the vehicle. Push the dashcam backwards. Tidy up the wiring harness and hide it inside the dashcam housing. Put on this small shell. Connect the app. Attach the polarizing filter. Connect the GPS. Uncovered the back glue protection membrane on the surface of GPS. Mount the GPS on the top right side of the front windshield. Arrange the wiring harness and hide it inside the ceiling. Connect the rearview camera. Connect the OBD power cord. Hide the wiring harness within the ceiling. Trim the top wires properly. Remove the column cover plate. Avoid airbags and use cable ties to organize the wiring harness. Reinstall the column cover plate. Remove the side cover plate. Wire down along the door seal strip. Remove the decorative panel of the driver's seat threshold. Plug in the OBD power supply. Lay the wiring along the ceiling strip beside the driver's threshold. Restore the side decorative panel and the threshold decorative panel and insert the wiring harness into the ceiling strip. Complete the wiring installation of the OBD. Connect the rear ramera. Route the wire along the ceiling towards the A pillar. Remove the left front door weather stripping and route the rear camera power cord through the ceiling gap to the B pillar. Remove the top weather stripping of the left rear door and lay it along the gap of the ceiling to the C pillar. Route the wire along the C pillar to the tailgate. Pry off the trunk dome light trim cover, disconnect the power cable, then remove the cover. Pry off the tailgate brake light cover and disconnect the brake light's power cable. Prepare a 20-inch fiber optic cable or a thin iron wire. Thread the fiber optic cable or thin iron wire through the rubber sleeve that connects the top of the trunk to the tailgate. Secure one end of the rear camera extension cable to the end off the fiber optic cable with tape. Use the fiber optic cable to pull the rear camera power cable through the rubber sleeve at the top of the trunk to the position of the tailgate brake light. Remove the securing tape and connect the rear camera to the power cable. Peel off the adhesive protective film on the rear lens and stick the rear lens in the center of the tailgate glass. Organize the wiring harness and restore the decorative cover plate of the brake. Use cable ties to organize the excess wire harnesses and restore the decorative cover plate of the trunk roof light. Connect to the app, enter the camera preview interface, and rotate and adjust the rear camera to a suitable angle.